In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove non ICP leads from your lead list in just 9 minutes. So the point here is whether your lead list comes from Apollo or Clay or custom research or anywhere, right? There is a percentage of leads that always is not a fit for your ICP. And we're going to use AI in this video and very quickly filter out all those leads. So before we start, a few things, right? This will only work if you have the company domain in your lead list. There are a lot of ways to get the company domain, which I'll cover later if you don't have. But assuming that you have the company domain in your lead list, right, we're going to implement this. And we're going to use Clay's AI agent to execute a prompt, and that will determine whether the company is an ICP fit or not. So what you have to do is, step one is you'll upload your lead list in Clay, right? So I have this lead list in Clay. I've done it within Clay. You can upload it as a CSV. If you want to do it as a CSV, you'll just go to import and import from CSV and so on. Once you have the lead list in Clay, you'll create your master ICP fit prompt, which is the most important thing here, which is an AI agent that is deciding whether it is an ICP fit or not. And I've given the master template over here. So the way this works is it first instructs the AI agent. You're an AI agent that determines whether a company is an ICP fit or not based on the information from their website, and they give them the website. That's the reason I said company domain is important over here. And then it will visit the website, understand what the company does and all of that, and then we will give the ICP criteria of what we want, right? Inclusion criteria, exclusion criteria, and so on, right? This is what this will do, and I will give you an example. For example, let's say I'm looking for only companies which are marketing agencies, specially focusing on e-commerce brands. That's my target, right? I don't want lead gen agencies. I don't want SaaS platforms. I only want marketing agencies focusing on e-com industry. That's my goal. So the prompt goes something like this, right? So this is, everything is standard. This part is completely standard. When it comes to the ICP criteria, we have this, right? So it must be a marketing agency. It should work with e-commerce clients offering these kind of services. It should exclude lead generation agencies, SaaS products or software platforms. So we're giving this the condition. And all we have to do is, very simply, we have to just copy the prompt. So I'm giving an example over here, right? So this is the prompt. This is the master template which you can use to, refine it for yourself. So we're going to take this and we're going to do add a column. We're going to click use Clayagent over here. So once you do, you'll get this option. You choose this, and then over here we are going to use GPT-5 Nano, which is because that's the latest model. That's very good, and that's very good at reasoning. So we're going to choose GPT-5 Nano over here, and then I will copy the prompt, right? So I'll replace some variables like company website. I'll be replacing it by my own domain, right? So I'll use the domain over here, and everything else remains the same. Nothing else needs to be changed. You have to just come here and just click on generate from prompt. So this defines the output that's required. That's it, right? And then you're basically going to just run this for 10 rows, and that's it. You're done, right? So let me just see it in action. So as you see, we start getting responses. We're just gonna click on this, and we will create this as a new column and the reasoning as a new column. That's it, right? So you can clearly see it has a no, yes, no with a reasoning behind it, right? And now I can simply filter it, right? I can just come, filter on this column, ICP fit equal to yes. And you can run it for the rest of the rows, and you have only your ICP fit companies now. This is how you remove all the non-ICP leads and save your resources. And that's it. If you're stuck anywhere or have more problems, you can just book a call with me, and yeah, I'll be happy to help.